Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity. You may be requiring your employees to work from home. Your mindset may be, I can save some money by allowing them to use their home computers. This is a dangerous mistake. Home computers and personal mobile devices could be littered with tons of downloaded music, videos, images, and more. Because they're more exposed, they can invite malware into your business network. You should only allow devices to connect to your network that you own, where you can make sure they have the proper malware protection, as well as third-party patching and updating. We recommend using a program such as LogMeIn and locking down these devices so files cannot be transferred back and forth. You need to enable two-factor authentication for additional security. Please follow the government's recommendations on social gathering. Stay safe out there.